Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have some gorgeous colours from Madam Glam to show you. This is part of their April collection. It's called the I Am Connected collection and the colours in this are absolutely gorgeous. I have 5 here to show you today and I am going to incorporate them into a nail design at the end of the video. First of all though, let's get into some swatches. The first up we have Jelly Bean, and I was so excited about this one when I saw it swatched on their TikTok page because it has such a little cute shimmer in it. You can just see it there. It has a shimmer. It is kind of a corally orange. It's between pink and orange, and I love this color for spring and summer. So as always guys, I'm going to do 2 coats, but I'm just going to do one on camera and I will come back and show you the swatches at the end with 2 coats. I'm going to leave my discount code in the corner of the screen. You can see it there. It's Begorgeous35, capital B, capital G, and all one word. Okay, so next up we have Candy Hop, and I love the names as well. They're so spring and so cute. This is a pink, kind of edging on the side of purple, but it's definitely a pink, but it's a pinky purple, you know what I mean. So as always, the pigmentation in these colors are amazing. I do find this one though is not as opaque as usual Madam Glam formulas, but still perfectly opaque in 2 coats. Moving on now, we have Bunny Bloom, and this is a purple. So this is the purple of the collection. I would describe this though as a muted purple. It's definitely not like really bright and out there. It's kind of muted and dusty. Absolutely love it, and it will be perfect for all times of the year. So like even perfect for autumn and coming into winter if you need a purple. It is, look at it, it's gorgeous. The opacity in this one is amazing. Now on to my 2 favourite colours of the 5 that Madam Glam sent me. This is Daffy Day. Surprisingly, this is one of my favourites. This is not a colour I would usually go for, but I don't know what it is about this. It's so opaque. This is 1 coat. I did not do a 2nd coat of this one. I decided it just didn't need it at all. And I don't have like a mustard yellow like this in my collection, and there's just something about the depth of colour in this. I just love it. It's going to come in so handy for nail art. Then we have Dream Drop. So this is my 2nd favourite colour. This is a denim blue. It is perfect. It's so opaque as well, and I just love it. It's just a gorgeous blue. There's no other thing to say about it. You can just see it there. It's just a gorgeous blue, and these are the 5 swatches here side by side, all fabulous. Thank you so much again, Madam Glam. So I already painted these tips with a kind of a French base colour, and I'm going to go straight in with the design. We are going to do like a variety of designs today. I just wanted to incorporate all these gorgeous colours that Madam Glam sent me. So starting off, I am going to do a full French tip, like a really high up French tip. And I'm going to paint that with the blue colour, and then we are going to go in with Daffy Day for some polka dots. So with this nail, it's very self-explanatory. It is just a French tip and polka dot. So I'm just going to let you relax and watch this one, and I will be back in a few. While that nail is curing, we are going to go on to the next nail, and we are taking out the purple shade and doing the same exact style of French tip again. And another thing to note is these colours are really, really smooth. Like the formula seems so smooth. It even doesn't seem as thick. I don't know, am I imagining it, but it doesn't seem even as thick as some of their other formulas. Now, I love a good thick formula, so I don't complain. Like, I love a good thick gel polish, but this batch just seem like they're smoother or something. I can't put my finger on it. It could be because of the TPO ban and all that stuff, maybe just changing formulas. But yeah, so that is the purple, and once that's cured, we are going to go in and we're going to do a layer of blooming gel. Now, going in with a really thin layer as well, because I don't want it to be too bulky. And once that is painted on, we are going to go straight in with Candy Hop, which is the pink, and using our dotting tool to do kind of a blooming croc design, or something close to a blooming croc design. I wasn't sure how these colours would bloom either, because every polish is different and every formula is different in blooming gel, but I just thought I would give it a go, and it'd be a fun way to incorporate these two colours together in a design. Once that's done, then I'm going to pop that in for a full cure and move on to the next one. So moving on to my favourite two nails, I think. These are the little flower nails, and I love them because I just kind of picked up some polishes and started painting, and I didn't really know what I was going to do, and I really like how they turned out. So this is Eucalyptus Breeze. This is a green from Madam Glam, and it's so highly pigmented, it's great for nail art, and I do pull it out a lot for things like this, for leaves and for stems of flowers and things like that. It's just a really pigmented good green, so if you have it in your collection, I highly advise it to use it for this kind of stuff. And once I have that done, then I pop it in for a cure, and then I'm going to use Daffy Day. And I'm going to use Daffy Day to paint on some tulips. These are just really straightforward. You can just see what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of winging it and drawing a tulip shape. And I'm also going to grab Jelly Bean and go in on top of this with Jelly Bean. Now, I did cure this yellow first, and then I went in with Jelly Bean, which I wish I didn't. And for the second tulip, I don't do it. I do it the opposite way. So I cured the yellow, and then I'm going in with Jelly Bean here, as you can see, but I didn't really like how it turned out. It's much nicer when I did the opposite. So here I went in with Jelly Bean, and I didn't cure it. Like, I painted on the shape of the tulip, and I didn't cure it. I just grabbed Daffy Day with the same brush and everything. I didn't wipe my brush, and I just kind of bloomed the polish into each other. I think it turned out much nicer this way when I did it this way rather than the other flower. I feel like the other flower looks just too perfectly outlined or something, and I did go in and just paint over it a couple of times and change the colour of it because I just thought it didn't look right. It looked a bit flamey or something to me, like I just didn't like it. So I went back in here with, I think, more yellow, and I was just trying to mix out that Jelly Bean colour. But all in all, those two colours work really, really well for tulips, and this was me just really quickly throwing it together kind of. So if you were taking your time and you had it nicely planned out and, you know, thought out even, you know, you could make a nice job out of flowers with these two colours. So yeah, I really like how it came out. It was really fun just to kind of be sitting and painting, just, you know, letting your brushes go and just paint whatever, because I just did it as I was thinking of it. I didn't have a plan in place at all. I knew I wanted to do flowers, but I didn't have any plan whatsoever. So then in the corner, I did a little tulip with just the Jelly Bean colour. And then I'm going in with Eucalyptus Breeze again, and I'm just painting on the leaves onto the stems, just painting on a few leaves. And once I have that done, then I'm going to pop it into cure, and I'm going to do kind of little swirly roses. So these are just an added kind of afterthought, and I just thought it needed something else up top, so I went in with these. Basically what I did was I took the pink colour and the purple colour, and I went in first and I did a dot of pink, and then I went in again and I did a dot of purple, and I just kind of bloomed them into each other, not with blooming gel, but just with the two colours being uncured. I just kind of swirled them into each other, and you're kind of making an imperfect circle nearly. So they are supposed to be like just kind of rough little roses. And then once I had that done, I went in and did two little leaves underneath to finish it off. Okay, so this nail is going to be very similar to the last nail. We're just going to do opposite colours. So we're going to do like pink tulips and change the colour scheme around a little bit. But it's going to be quite similar to the last one. Let me know, guys, down below, what is your favourite nail in this whole set that I've done today. And also let me know if you have any of these colours in this collection. Again, thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending me these colours. I am obsessed with them. I love how smooth they are. I love, again, always the opacity. You all know by now, Madam Glam is my go-to for gel polish anyway. But these colours do not disappoint. They are so smooth and so lovely. Great for nail art. I can't recommend them enough. Again, I'll leave my code in the description box. And yeah, if you made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm going to leave you watch me paint this last nail, and I'm going to leave a little close-up of the nail set in its entirety. And I will see you guys in the next one.